Solitude is silence by choice, so that I can hear my inner voice, and there is no duty to perform, seeking the quiet in the midst of a storm. It is stillness, with no need to move, and overcoming the want to help others. Yes, it goes against my natural groove, but I'm blessed to be free, to explore my mental and emotional clarity. No, it's not loneliness. I'm choosing to step back from all of the social mess and intentionally seclude from others so that I'm free from the requests that can sometimes make me feel so smothered. It's peace and quiet with no disturbance. And this, my friend, is not a regular occurrence. It's private time, just for me, to spend it just as I please, so I can gracefully restore my energy and that I can be the best version of me. It's taking time out to self-reflect on all of that self-neglect. Confined to the walls of my mind. For some it's a crime, but for me, now, it is simply divine. I can immerse myself in the things that bring me so much joy, with no half-hearted efforts, acting shy or coy. I'm free from expectation. I'm free from perceived condemnation. I am liberated. I am emotionally elated. And there's so many forms of rest, I promise I will be doing them all to my best. Those social bounds to chaos have been severed as part of my new self-care ethos. And this harmonious partition is not one to be crossed. And I will remember that when my soul feels lost. There is beauty in having peace of mind, and solitude is my way to practice being self-kind. Solitude is